Good morning to all. In the continuation of the first unit of advanced construction techniques, that is substructure constructions, we are continuing today the caisson foundation. So, first of all, caisson means it comes from a French word caisson, which means a box. So, it is a watertight structure. This caisson is derived from the French word caisson, meaning a box. It is a large, deep foundation. It is a box structure which can be in the shape of rectangle, round, which is sunk from the surface of water or land to the desired depth. It is permanent structure and part of the substructure. Sorry for the interruption. Please kindly just uses. It is used to transfer the load of structure to the hard strata. It is used for foundation of bridges, piers, abutments in river or lake. It is used as impervious core wall of earth dams. It is also used to provide an access to a deep shaft or tunnel. The materials which can be used for caissons are RCC, steel, timber, and cast iron. And then types, there are three types, which is how can I say? Yes, it is box caisson, open or a well-type caisson, and then pneumatic caisson. So first, let us go for a open caisson. It is a strong watertight vessel which is open. See, first of all, open caisson, pneumatic caisson, box caisson. In box caisson, the top portion is open and and it is closed at the bottom, which is wait, please wait a minute. Is this sorry? If it is open caisson, it is open at both the ends, and for pneumatic caisson, it is closed at the top, but it is open at the bottom. So first, let us see on box caisson. Uh, it is a strong watertight vessel, open at top and closed at bottom, and it is made of timber, steel, or RCC. It is built on land, queued, and then float or launched to pier site where it is placed in position. Mainly, it is used for shallow depth and for lightweight. The caisson is sunk by filling sand, gravel, or concrete in the empty space inside. The place where the caisson base is to rest must be leveled, and as such, box caissons are used in places where the strata of sufficient bearing capacity is available near the ground. So, in normal practice, the soft natural bottom soil of the riverbed is dredged out to some depth, and the trench is thus formed and is filled with sand to have a leveled base. So the function of the sand layer is to uniformly distribute the superimposed loads over the soil below and thus avoid tilting of the caisson. So now it is a open well caisson. This picture shows the open well caisson. As is mentioned, it is open at the top and it is also open at the bottom also. There are few different common shapes in open caissons. That is those shapes are yes, square, rectangle, circular, double rectangular, octagonal, hexagonal, double D, dumbbell, twin hexagonal, and then twin octagonal. There are two types of open caisson foundation. Those are single wells and multiple wells. Single wells, it is called single walled open caisson. It is used for shallow depth, where the caisson is to be lowered into the ground where the soil is loose. The appropriate size and shape of the well is determined, keeping the view, the type, and structural requirements of the superstructure. And then the soil is made dry by removing water from the area where the bracket is to be removed. And then pneumatic caisson foundation, it is closed at the head and it is open at the bottom. It is specially used at the place where it is not possible to construct the well. It is usually suitable for the depth of the water more than 12 meters. In the construction of pneumatic caisson, the compressed air is used to remove the water from the working chamber. So first of all, what is maybe working chamber is? Working chamber is nothing but the place that means it is open at the bottom, right? So that portion is called actually working chamber. This pneumatic caisson is generally based on the principle that let us take a plate. In that, let us fill water to some level, and then let us reverse a tumbler. Yes, let us reverse a glass over it, so that in that case, water will not come inside the cup because a vacuum is created, which means the air pressure in that particular area is very much greater than the surface, than the water pressure at the surface. So the same principle appears over here. See, as I mentioned, the lower portion is called the working chamber, and then a compressed air supply is given here. And advantages of pneumatic caisson and disadvantage. So advantages, quality control is good because work is done in dry conditions. In situ soil tests are possible. Direct and easy passage to reach the bottom of the caisson. Hence, no obstruction will be considered. Disadvantages, it is much expensive and skilled labor is essential and fatal accidents may also occur. So advantages of open caisson, it can be extended up to large depth. Cost of construction is low comparatively on other caissons. Disadvantage, since the placing of concrete is done for concrete seal underwater, it may not be satisfactory. If any obstruction of boulders or logs are encountered, then progress of work becomes slow. Through cleaning and inspection, the bottom of caisson is very difficult and hence not possible. The help of divers may be required for excavation near haunches at the cutting edges. So from this, we have seen caisson foundation too. So I hope so. This will be very much helpful for your visual representation of how the caisson will be and what are those three types. It is box, pneumatic, and it then open. So again, a summary of this box caisson will be open at the top and closed at the bottom, whereas open is open at both the ends, whereas pneumatic caisson is closed at the top and open at the bottom. Thank you.